Hello everyone, we are Group 19 and today we will introduce the article Cloud Computing for Business, the Open Group Guide. This is the source of the article. Our contents include 4 parts: the open group, the definition of cloud computing, 5 essential characteristics, and the problems related to vendor management and change management. The open group. The open group is a global consortium of companies. Its members include the companies that are thinking of using cloud computing, and providing cloud computing solutions. The main version of Open Group is to enable access to integrated information between enterprises based on open standards and global interoperability. The definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is a model for enabling convenient, on-demand network access to a shared pool of configurable computing resources that can be rapidly provisioned and released with minimal management effort or service provider interaction. This cloud model promotes availability and is composed of 5 essential characteristics: 3 service model and 4 deployment models.
The next part is talking about 5 essential characteristics. The first one I'm going to introduce is the on-demand self-service, which means that you can use whatever you want and anytime to use this kind of service, and also you don't need any assistant on that. The next one is a broad network access. What I mean? It means you can use any devices to access the resources and also use this service. The resources pooling, which means computer resources are pooled to multiple customers. For example, the peak usage in different countries are totally different at the same time. It means that resources are pooling other tenants while another tenant's usage is low. The next one, rapid elasticity, which means this service got like flexible function. So if service are fully used, it can be expanded automatically and is for avoiding overcapacity and undercapacity, preventing increasing cost and losing customers. The last one, measure service. Measure service means cloud service monitor system capability and usage for system provider and the customer of the utilized service. For example, a customer who uses the PaaS service is able to monitor the storage usage, network and transfer memory, and the CPU usage.
Next, I will introduce the problems related to vendor management and change management. There are 2 problems in vendor management. The first one is vendor locking issue. The reasons are lack of common standards and portability issues due to immaturity of cloud products. This situation will cause the customer highly dependent on only one vendor for a particular service and need to spend more money on substantial switching to use another vendor. Another problem is lack of transparency of interfaces between SaaS vendors, particularly with regard to managing the interfaces, which will cause chaos in management. As for change management, it can be a challenge, especially in shared environments. Firstly, cloud service could affect on people because employees may refuse to cooperate in business transition. Cloud service also might not be integrated with the company's current business model. Finally, we have 2 questions for audience. Question 1. Except for the 5 main reasons, what are other reasons for using cloud computing? Question 2. What are the challenges of shared cloud computing technology and how will cloud computing develop in the future? That's all. Thank you.